are the underlying issues that cause people to become injured and to have achy, naggy, recurrent musculoskeletal problems. And so there's muscle imbalances, for example, there's habitual positional issues that contribute to Americans, Westerners, physical vulnerability. And I feel that to take somebody who's really misaligned or has a lot of muscle imbalances straight into a really vigorous, active yoga practice, people will just move with their same movement abnormalities, their same issues, their same alignment problems. They'll just repeat those over and over and over again in the yoga poses, and then yoga becomes yet another avenue by which they injure themselves. And so our whole program over these many years that it's taken to develop it is to teach people in kind of bite-sized pieces that help to correct the misalignments, the muscle imbalances, the bad movement patterns, so that we just start with fairly simple things, and then those gradually build up to more challenging and even more challenging yoga poses.